Hi friends, it's James here with Dreamscapes. Let's take a tour of our latest double pondless water feature project. We're out here in Simi Valley, and this is a 13-foot long pondless waterfall. Of course, we did all the plants around it. Super naturalistic looking. California natives and drought tolerant plants. Attention to detail is the name of the game when it comes to a dreamscape. So that's the first water feature here. Now let's go up the hill and check it out. Here's our second one. A 24-foot beautiful pondless waterfall. See the attention to detail? From top to bottom. A dreamscape is much more than just a waterfall. It's nature itself. So when you're ready to connect with nature in your own yard, whether it be a pondless waterfall like this or with a pond, we're ready to make your dreamscape come true.